Hello friends, today I will show you how to attend for the online exam in ICC Lite app. Okay, so first of all we will open ICC Lite app in our smartphones. Okay, in your smartphone you need to open ICC Lite app. See that application is here. So just tap it on ICC Lite app. Okay, so let it load. Now you just click on this close button. This notice gets closed. Afterwards here you have a menu. Okay, three horizontal lines are given. So okay, so this is a menu. Just tap it on menu. Here you will get the list of options. Now in this you have academics. Okay, just tap it on academics. In academics again you have online exam ticket, online exam demo, online classes, program schedule, and marks cards. So first of all we'll see how to attend for the exam. So one demo I will show you by tapping it on online exam demos. Okay, just tap it on online exam demo. You will get the demo question paper. Okay, so this is the demo question paper. Here question is given, and along with the question four options are given. Okay, so among these four options you have to choose one correct answer. Okay, so this is MCQ, multiple choice questions. Okay, MCQ, multiple choice questions are given, one question and four answers are given. You have to tick the correct answer. So let me tick one answer. Okay, you will get the blue color, this one color, blue color for that selected option. Let me show you one or two three questions. Okay, so now three questions I have marked. You can attempt all the 25 questions. Okay, here total 25 questions are given for the demo purpose. Okay, you can attend all the 24 questions. After attempting, just click on submit button. Okay, so just click on submit button. And so while attempting the exam, don't refresh your page. Okay, so you have to be cautious. Don't try to refresh your page. Okay, so now I am going to submit this. Just click on submit. Again here it is asking for the confirmation. Okay, so just click on OK button, tap it on OK button to confirm your submission. So when you click on OK, you will get the mark sheet. Mark sheet in the sense first question will be displayed along with the options which are given for that questions, so that will be displayed, and which is the correct answer and which answer you have marked, so that will be displayed. Then the obtained marks will be displayed. Okay, so I attended the three questions. Okay, so that three questions, so that is displaying, and at the bottom of this screen you will see total marks awarded. So okay, three questions, three marks. Now if you attend 25 questions, and out of 25 how many marks you will get, so that will be displayed here. And for which answer you have given a wrong for which question you have given a wrong answer, that is also you can confirm it here. Okay, so this is attending on demo paper. Okay, so next one more point is there, so that is attending the exam by using your register number and mobile phone. Okay, I'll come back. To attend the exam, just again tap it on menu, and in a menu tap it on academics. In academics, just tap on online exam ticket. So when you tap on a online exam ticket, here it asks to enter your register number, it asks to enter your class, and here it asks to enter your phone number. Here while entering the phone number, the number which you have given to the office, so that the number you have to mention in this box. Okay, so let me enter my register number. Then class. Okay, then phone number. So after entering, just click on submit. When you click on submit button, you will get the hall ticket. Okay, so this is the hall ticket along with your photo, and all the information will be displayed. Okay, candidate information will be displayed. Now when you have the exam, so during that exam, for example, just imagine now today you have English one. So in front of this English one, you will get the button. Okay, green color button will be displayed to enter the exam hall. Okay, then you have to tap it on that button to attend for that exam. Okay, so whenever you have the exam on that day, here you will get the options in front of that subject. Just you have to tap and you have to enter in a exam hall. And when a demo paper is given, so already I have shown you that same paper. Again it is going to come here, demo enter exam hall. Okay, so your register number will be displayed, your name will be displayed along with, again, so that questions, so all the 25 questions will be displayed. And you have to tick the correct answer. At a time you can choose only one option. See, for example, if I choose this, so that option gets deselect. Okay, so at a time it is allowed to select only one option. Okay, just tick the mark, and at last at the bottom of this page you have a submit button. Just tap it on submit and confirm your answers by tapping on OK button. Okay, you will get your mark sheet, total attended questions and total obtained marks will be displayed. Okay, in this way we can attend for the online exam by using ICC Lite app. I hope you have understood this points, how to attend for the online exam by using your register number and mobile number. Okay, so mobile number should be the same which you have given to the office. Okay, thank you for watching.